What's up, everybody? We are about to do Fast Girls here. One of the missions in this. The 22nd, not 22nd. In the mid 20s of the episodes for this series, but hope you're enjoying it so far. I'm curious to see what happens, depending on if I know something's gonna happen, because some of the stuff I don't remember.
You go enjoy yourself.
Some of the stuff surprises me. Like, oh, I know that happened. Some of the stuff is like, oh, like some of the big ones. No, I can't. That's like, it's like, I don't know if that's. That was kind of unnecessary.
I don't mind you fucking her. It's one of the
Jesus.
perks. But she has to understand the consequences if she disappoints me. Are we clear?
Of course, Sonny.
You're not getting attached, are you? A man of your caliber?
You don't need to worry about that.
I hope not. Wei, come in. Have a drink. You ever fucked some famous pussy, Wei?
Not yet. Maybe one day.
It's a trip, man, let me tell you.
Wow.
You drive by
Filter.
one of those billboards the size of a building, and you tell yourself, I'm going to her place, bend her over the table, and then you do it. There's no other feeling like it.
Yeah, okay. Speaking of stars, I need to go pick up Vivian.
Let Wei do it. You and I have more business to discuss. How about it, Wei? Think you can handle a smoking hot starlet for the day?
Sure. You know, as long as Ricky doesn't think I'm moving in on his territory.
Nah, of course not. Here, take my car.
You take good care of my little starlet. Go ahead and fuck her if you want. Just don't damage the goods.
My God. No filter. No filter. This is Ricky's car. Nice car, right?
Who are you?
I'm Wei. Ricky sent me. Didn't he tell you?
No, I was expecting Ricky.
Everything okay?
Everything is not okay. Is it wrong of me to want to see my boyfriend? Why do I have to put up with this?
No, Vivi, it's not wrong. And you put up with it because Ricky loves you. But
But what?
since your boyfriend isn't driving, I get to sit in front. Why are the bad ones always so good looking? I'm Sandra. What's your name again?
It's Wei. Ricky talks about him a lot.
Oh, all nice things, I'm sure. And you're here to basically do whatever we want?
Something like that. What do you have in mind?
Do you have steady hands at high speeds?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I can provide references if you like.
Are you trying to talk him into one of those street races you always go on about?
What crash happened back there? I think I've ever seen it in a cutscene of this game ever.
So what's the deal, Wei? You a gangster like Ricky?
He's not a gangster, don't say that.
Let's say I'm as much of a gangster as Ricky.
Oh, that's too bad. Recently I've wanted to date a gangster.
Well, maybe I'll see if I can find one for you.
That would be nice. What's Ricky doing anyways? Why is he too busy?
I don't know. Something with Sonny.
Sonny? That guy's a creep and a perv. Sorry, Vivi.
It's okay.
What? What'd he do?
Nothing. But he tried. I was at a party on Wallace Chung's yacht. I was like 16. I got so... That's him. Pull up. Hi, Alex. How are you?
Huh. This is your new boyfriend?
Not yet. Why? Are you jealous?
Of this guy?
Hey, so Sandra says you like to race. How about it? Now, if you win, I'll let you take the girls home.
Way?
I'm not sure how much that's worth. Okay, we race for the girls and 100,000.
Sure, I'll take your money too.
You racing with the girls in your car? The extra weight will slow you down, idiot.
Think of it as your head start, Alex. Because you're gonna need it.
Think of it as your head start. 呢條粉腸你唔好帶我啊 I'll show him.
This is gonna be great. All right. Vivian and I won't talk. You know how to drive. Shit! Sweet!
Oh my god, my heart is beating so fast.
Is that the police?
I don't want to get arrested. That could be really bad.
You are out of control. I like it.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, my heart is beating so fast.
Great.
Steady hands. Gotta give you that.
Thanks.
Oh, get a room, you two.
Shit! The police!
Woohoo! Oh, cops, perfect.
The police!
The police? Are they after us? Oh no!
Don't worry, it'll be fine. Okay?
It'll be fine, don't worry.
Oh, we lost him, thank god.
Nice work, Way.
You're driving us home, right?
Of course. Well, unless Sandra has some other exciting plan.
decided out. But you can take me for a drive anytime.
Oh, that's it, just over there.
Car's all banged up. Glass flying out when you open the doors.
That was fun, Way. Thanks.
Anytime.
Vivi, give Way my number and tell him he can take me out on a second date.
Sandra says you can take her on a second date if you want.
Yeah, I got that. Thanks.
Thanks for taking us out today.
It was my pleasure.
Anytime apartment. Dude, we just get like loads of. I feel like we just got like loads of money right there. This is nice.
Well, it's Eliana. I need your help.
Yeah, sure. What's going on?
My friend Katushka, she's gone missing. Nobody's seen her in a week. Katushka doesn't have a visa. She's illegal. Girls like her go missing all the time, but usually they don't have anywhere to go for help.
I'll check it out.
Would you? Oh, thank you.
That's the new case.